I'm going to show you how to connect the wiring for your speakers when you have a surround sound kit. This is the same for every make and model, whether you have a Can-Am, Brute Force, Polaris, whatever it is. So here you see we have a surround sound kit set up on our table. The first step to this, you're going to get this 5-foot extension cable. That is this wire harness here. Plug this in to this side right here, this port. This is going to run from your left speaker through your quad to your right speaker. When you get to your right speaker, you're going to hook up this extension cord that comes labeled in a separate bag. There's only one way to hook it up. The connectors will plug into your extension, the other connector will plug into your speaker, and then the long wire will run all the way back to your rear speaker. If it's not long enough, don't worry, we send extra extensions with it also. For this case, we don't have that plugged in, but you can see those speakers are hooked up. Then for your left side, you're going to do something similar. You just don't need that other extension cord. This is the splitter that is going to get hooked up to your amplifier. One side gets hooked up to your left speaker, and then the long section of it runs all the way back down your quad to your rear left speaker. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you use dielectric grease, and now your speakers are set up.